Swagatam. Good morning, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, I am your host of this event, Mayuri Malankar, and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this Glittage Day. Can we begin this event with a huge round of applause, everyone? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are thrilled to have you all join us today to commemorate the listing ceremony of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited on BSE platform. It is a momentous occasion and a significant milestone for the company. Before we proceed in this event, I will request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind. Thank you, everyone. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, brand Gargi was launched by Pune-based jewelers PN Gargi and Sons Limited in December 2021 under a new company called PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited to keep up with the ever-changing taste and demand for jewellery. At Gargi, the vision is very simple. It is to make every woman look beautiful and feel beautiful by giving her a wide range of variety, wide range of choices to dress up beautifully for any occasion. And the most important thing, Gargi's entire range of jewelry is created out of 92.5% of sterling silver and the best quality of non-silver. And it is easy on your pocket as well. We have an AV, ladies and gentlemen. I think that AV will speak briefly about the brand. So can we have the AV, please?
Woman, and embellishing the loveliness of the woman is PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, a company founded under the umbrella of the iconic PN Gargi and Sons in as recently as November 2021. Built upon the 190-plus-year-old legacy of PN Gargi and Sons, it could be said that Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited is but a fledgling. However, in spite of its nascent existence, this young company has already made a remarkable impact on not just the jewellery market in India and abroad, but also on how the industry has started looking at new ways to enhance the beauty and personality of the woman. The origin of Gargi Fashion Jewellery as a brand was tumultuous to say the least, but it was based on leveraging vast experience and capitalizing on an astute understanding of the marketplace. Mr. Govind Gadgil and Mrs. Renu Gadgil, the visionary promoters of Gargi Fashion Jewellery, astutely recognized that fashion jewellery is the future of the lifestyle market for Generation Next. So, after intensive research, careful planning and strategic decision-making by Aditya Modak and his team, they embarked on this venture that would keep up with the ever-changing trends, tastes and demands for fashion jewellery as opposed to traditional gold and silver ornamentation. And today, within the short span of just 1 year, brand Gargi is on its way to becoming one of the industry's most prominent trendsetters in the fashion jewelry segment. The mission of brand Gargi is to make a woman look beautiful. This will be achieved by giving her a wide range of choices that she likes and dressing her with unique jewelry and symbols for any and every occasion. At Gargi, the uniquely and carefully crafted jewelry pieces are not just trendy and decorative, but they are also evocative and tell a tale. There is indeed an original story attached to each piece. As Mr. Amit Modak, Director of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited says, Gargi is an attempt of crafting original stories for each one, because the right jewelry brings you closer to who you really are. With Gargi, we aim to make jewelry which is beautiful and unique just like you. Our style is modern, yet our roots are steeped in tradition. We know about innovation and we value our legacy. A first buy is as important for us as an heirloom. We are always trying to do things in a new and better way, from our designs to our experience. Brand Gargi's entire range of silver fashion jewelry is created out of 92.5% certified sterling silver jewelry and best quality brass jewelry, with many more items to be launched in the bouquet of offerings. Consequently, the customers will find buying them easy on the pockets. Some of the offerings are created by skilled artisans who work predominantly for brand Gargi, while others are sourced from reliable vendors. In addition to this, Gargi liaises with several freelance designers who help keep the designs relevant and up to date. While all the designs are trendy, the addition of semi-precious stones makes them all the more appealing. Each piece of jewelry is an amalgam of the highest quality of raw materials, impeccable craftsmanship, and a passion for perfection. You're welcome to check out the Gargi collection at www.gargi.shop or on the Amazon website www.amazon.com. A recent report published in the Fortune Business Insights titled Fashion Accessories Market 2022-23 said that the growing attraction towards luxurious lifestyles coupled with increasing purchasing power is expected to support market growth significantly. Some other factors propelling this growth include an increasing consciousness towards appearances and how eyewear, jewelry, footwear, etc. are being considered trendy among millennials and fashion influencers who are followed by the masses. A leading name in the fashion accessories space in India, Gargi Fashion Jewelry is leaving no stone unturned to get a substantial share as it aims to achieve a multi-fold top-line jump in year-on-year sales over the next 5 years. So, follow brand Gargi for fresh updates, exciting offers and new product launches. We have plenty of surprises in store for you. PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewelry Limited is resolute, steadfast and determined to reach its goal.
So this is all about Gargi Fashion Jewelry Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, now we will begin this event by welcoming our esteemed dignitaries with flower bouquet. I will request Srimati Pranjali Patwardhan, Head of HR of PN Gargi and Sons, to come upon stage to present the bouquet. I will request Srimati Pranjali Patwardhan to present the bouquet to Shri Sameer Patil, Chief Business Officer of BSE. Can we have a round of applause for him? Very, very warm welcome to you, sir. I will request Mr. Sameer Patil to take a seat on the dais. I will now request Ms. Patwardhan to present a bouquet to Shri Ajay Thakur, Head of BSE SME and Startup Platform. A round of applause for Shri Ajay Thakur. Warm welcome to you, sir. I will now request Ms. Patwardhan to present a bouquet to Shri Govind Gargi, Chairman and Director of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. May I now invite on the stage Srimati Renu Gargi, promoter of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited. Warm welcome to you, ma'am. I would like to request Shri Amit Modak, Director of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Limited, to join us on the stage. Warm welcome to you, sir. May I now request Shri Aditya Modak, Director of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, to join us on the stage. Warm welcome to you, sir. May I invite Ms. Shweta Khandelwal, Independent Director of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited. Shweta, please.
Girish Joshi.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite Mr. Girish Joshi on the stage. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Once again, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all our esteemed dignitaries and the audience. Before we move ahead, I would like to invite Shri Pat Shah, Director of Sherni Shares Private Limited. Mr. Path, are you around? Ladies and gentlemen, we are Indians and we believe that the lamp is a symbol of positivity, knowledge, prosperity and happiness. अग्नि की जो ज्योत होती है वो हमेशा ऊपर की ओर उठती है और अग्नि का ये स्वभाव है। अग्नि की ज्योत की तरह हमारे द्वारा शुरू किया हुआ जो कार्य है वो भी हमेशा आगे की ओर बढ़े, अर्थात सफलता प्राप्त हो उसे और वो अग्रसर हो, यही भाव हम मन में रखकर दीप प्रज्वलन कर हर शुभ काम की शुरुआत करते हैं। आज का ये इवेंट हमारे लिए काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है। It is a momentous occasion for the company. I will request all our dignitaries to light this lamp, this auspicious ceremonial lamp, and inaugurate the event. Let's take one group picture. Thank you, everyone. I'll request all the dignitaries to take a seat on the dais. Moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, I take the privilege to introduce Shri Govind Gargi, Chairman and Director of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited. Shri Govind Gargi is a member of 6th generation of PN Gargi Group founder. He has promoted PN Gargi and Sons Limited in 2012, which has presently more than 5,000 crores of annual sales. The chain of 29 owned jewelry showrooms in Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka, PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited is just a 1-year-old company and is promoted by Shri Ajit Gargi and Mrs. Renu Gargi. I now request Shri Govind Gargi to address this August gathering. Can we have a round of applause for Shri Gargi?
नमस्कार. मला सगळ्यांचं मी पहिल्यांदा स्वागत करतो. मला खूप आनंद होतोय की आता आमच्या म्हणजे आता ही माझी 5वी जनरेशन आहे, 6वी नाही आहे. 1832 साली चालू झालेली आमची संस्था आहे आणि गेल्या महिन्यातच आम्ही 190 वर्ष पूर्ण केलेले आहेत आमच्या याला. आणि आता एक आहे नवीन म्हणजे फॅशन ज्वेलरी जो आजचा ट्रेंड आहे, आजची गरज आहे नवीन पिढीला, त्यात आम्ही पदार्पण करतोय. आणि मला खूप आनंद होतोय की लोकांनी एवढा त्याला उत्स्फूर्त पाठिंबा दिला आणि एका वेळेला खूप छान वाटतं आणि एकीकडे जबाबदारी वाटते की या लोकांनी आमच्यावर जे म्हणजे जो विश्वास टाकला आहे तो आमच्याकडे म्हणजे कसा आता हे करता येईल. पण मला नक्की हे वाटतंय म्हणजे कॉन्फिडन्स आहे की आमची टीम त्यांच्या अपेक्षा नक्कीच पूर्ण करतील. म्हणजे जसं आम्ही ग्राहकांना आमची चांगली सेवा, चांगल्या वस्तू म्हणजे चांगलं प्रॉडक्ट देत असतो, तसंच जे आमचे इन्व्हेस्टर आहेत त्यांनाही त्याचप्रमाणे आम्ही त्यांना नक्कीच त्यांचे रिटर्न्स देऊ याचा मला म्हणजे खात्री वाटते. आणि याला मला जे करताना जे थोड्या अवधीत जी गार्गी फॅशन ज्वेलरी आपली आता लहान कंपनी आहे, पण याला जे आता लिस्टिंग व्हायला ज्यांनी मदत केली आहे त्या सगळ्यांचे पुन्हा एकदा मी आभार मानतो. थँक्यू. थँक्यू.
Dhanyawad, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, now I take the privilege to invite the director of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, Shri Amit Modak. Shri Amit Modak has an extensive experience of more than 30 years in commodity and derivative market. It is proud to say that he was a dominant stakeholder in the company who was the member of BSE during 1999 till 2015. He is associated with PN Gargi Group since 1998, right from the capacity as advisor to the company to his current role as CEO and a director of PN Gargi and Sons Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Shri Amit Modak.
Good morning, everyone. It is very proud feeling that Gargi Group is coming to public, because it was earlier only a closely held group, closely held house of jewelry. Somebody asked me that why you are entering in the fashion jewelry when you have got original jewelry shop, real gold, real diamond, real silver, then why fashion jewelry? Gargils were visionary 190 years back that jewelry is going to be the future in another 150-200 years time, and they have proved that their vision was correct, and they have established that in Maharashtra nobody can compete them, even the international brand or the national brands. With the same vision they have entered to the fashion jewelry market now. And it is always good to enter at the initial stage. Right now, fashion jewelry market is 98% plus unorganized market. If organized market is going to start, at the start itself we are there, so whenever it will grow, we will be the pathfinder for all others who are joining the organized fashion jewelry market. Many people ask, what is a fashion jewelry? How much it is getting sold? I can tell very confidently that as far as number of pieces is concerned, it is 10 times to the gold jewelry. Because in 135 crore people, hardly 30 crore few people will be affording the gold jewelry or the full-fledged jewelry. And more than 100 crore people are there who are having affordability only for fashion jewelry. Gold jewelry is a bank locker item, as against fashion jewelry is a wardrobe item. Nowadays, ladies are keeping their dresses along with the fashion jewelry matching. So whenever they are going to office, they are choosing their dress along with the fashion jewelry article, which they have bought for dressing along with the fashion jewelry. So it has got huge market. Right now, it's a just start of the fashion jewelry market in organized form. At present, fashion jewelry market is like that, wherever cheap rate items are available, quality no matters, are gathered and kept in the shops, but when it will come in the organized sector, there will be no, the rate will be the concern, it will be the quality and durability will be also the concern. And we at PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, we care about the quality, durability of the product. It is just 13 months back we started in November 21, actual working of this brand. And now it's just 13 months old company. In last 13 months, including first 5 months, that is the previous year's period, we have completed more than 25 crore rupees top line in such a short period. There are much things to come. In AV also it is said, there are much more things to come. And yes, it is definitely, this is just start and you all will get surprises from the company, from addition of item by item, business model by business model, and everyone will be happy to be investor in this company. And as Govindji, Ajitji rightly said, we served our customer very sincerely. Same way we will serve the investors also very sincerely. When we are there for 190 plus years in the business, that means we are always there for a long period. We are not there just to come, enjoy and go away. Even though fashion jewelry is of that kind to consume, but our company will be a long standing company in future, and I am confident that this company will celebrate its main board conversion after 2 years' time with very proud, because we are compliant as far as corporate governance is concerned. It is as good as the listed main board company. I think we might be the only company coming with the index at the commencement, at the start in the prospectus in DRHP. We have got our index accounts and we have started index 2 years back. And so I am confident that there will be no hurdle for us to go to the main board after completing 2 years' time, as exchange and regulators have kept that 2 years limitation. That's why I am saying. One request is there to the SME people, Ajay Thakurji, then Samirji and all these regulators and their representatives. When there are anchors, you say they calculate the proper value for the script, and that's why ordinary people are not required to calculate it. Their limit is a 15,000 as a start, and here where there is no anchor, no one is assessing where price is right or wrong. Why the limit is of minimum 1 lakh? It is depriving the investors to come to the company's platform, company's investment. So I request you all to plead with the SEBI and the authorities to bring it down to the at least 25,000 and allow maximum people to participate in the investment. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for responding our issue so good and with so much multiple X of the subscription. I hope listing will be also good, and I hope investor will enjoy with the investment as well as the returns. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Modak, for the initial remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to now request Ms. Shweta Khandelwal, Independent Director of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, to come up on stage and say a few words. Can we have a round of applause for her?
Good morning, everybody. I would first like to congratulate Mr. Modak, Mrs. Modak, Mr. Gadgil, Mrs. Gadgil, and everybody who has been a part of this lovely journey of Gargi. I have been associated with the company for the last couple of months, and I'm amazed with the way Mr. Modak and his team have handled the work. I'm sure with their able hands, they are going to really take the company to a great level. And next couple of years is what we're going to see how the company is going to do very well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I will now request Shri Pat Shah, Director of Shreni Shares Private Limited, to say a few words.
Okay, good morning first of all, and a very warm welcome. Dignitaries on the stage, off the stage, friends, colleagues. This has been the 17th listing for Shreni Shares Private Limited, and we are proud to say that we have listed all the companies at a premium. And today also, as Mr. Modak said, we'll keep up the record. And I'm grateful to a lot of people. And I must say that this assignment has been the fastest listing in the history of SME capital markets. We have completed the assignment in less than 45 days from the signing of mandate until the listing. So that's quite an achievement. And in terms of subscription, I think as a banker, we have the company's IPO was oversubscribed by more than 230 times. So that's a record in itself. Thankful to God for giving us a chance to for this assignment. My dad, who is being present here for the first listing ceremony. Then I am thankful to Shri Ajay Kumar Thakur, who has been instrumental in my journey from time to time when I started my career, and it has been 10 years, and like he has always stood with me in all good and bad times. So really thank you. Mr. Samir Patil, Mr. Girish Joshi, Mr. Anand Chari, Mr. Anush Thakur, and the entire team of BSE compliance and listing. They have really, this is a T+5 listing, just to, we have been listing on the 5th day. So they have been quite proactive in like approval and as well as listing. So many thanks to them. Thankful to PNG's team and to entire Gadgil family for giving us a chance to prove ourselves. Mr. Modak, Mr. Amit Modak, who has been instrumental in this entire journey. I must say that his knowledge is much superior than us, and we have learned a lot of things from him. And this is one of the unique companies. So like everybody, once the transaction was started, they were categorizing it's in a gold jewelry. But yes, it's into fashion and costume jewelry, and one of the emerging business. As he rightly said, it is one of the only companies to follow the Ind AS system, since it's not compulsory in SME, but still they have followed prior to listing also, and I think they will be following post listing. When we visited the company, we were very amazed by the bookkeeping, the requirements that like even before asking, they were ready with all the answers. And that's what we expect from a company who is planning to get listed. To come to my team, Kritika and Virali, they have done a fantastic job as far as this transaction is concerned. And to add on, Kruti, Pooja, Ankita, Dhaval, Vishal, Prerna, and the entire team who has worked with this. Many times what I've realized is the that the more we think, the more we can achieve. So Mr. Modak told me that we want to list in like January. So I told him that let's try for December. So he told either you list on 28th December or the next good date is 26th Jan. So I told him that it's a challenge for us, and so let's take it. So here we are today on 28th December celebrating the listing ceremony. So I think what we think we can achieve it, and we are sure. I think today is a fine example. And today I want to say that yes, I'm going to list 100 odd companies on SME platform, and like I want to come again on the day of 100 listing and say that this is a similar speech that I delivered that day. Yes, as a company, we have crossed the benchmark of 100 crores fundraising in this calendar year, and I'm thankful to the entire team. We have listed 11 SME IPOs as of now and 1 right issue. So more things to come. Again, thankful to the entire audience and dignitaries on and off the stage for warm hearing. We'll celebrate the listing soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Pacha, for your kind words, ladies and gentlemen. Now I request Shri Samir Patil, Chief Business Officer at BSE, to address the gathering. Can we have a round of applause for him?
Good morning. Good morning and a warm welcome to everyone present here today for the listing ceremony of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery on BSE SME Board. On behalf of BSE, I would like to welcome Shri Ajit Gadgil, Chairman and Director PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, Srimati Renu Gadgil, Promoter PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, Shri Amit Modak, Director PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, Shri Aditya Modak, Director PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, Srimati Shweta Khandelwal, Independent Director PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, Shri Parth Shah, Director Shreni Shares Private Limited, my colleague Shri Ajay Thakur, Head SME and Startups BSE, and Shri Girish Joshi. It is an honor to welcome you all to the International Convention Hall of BSE. It was this very hall which witnessed India's first bell-ringing ceremony of BSE SME platform. Today, we have a total of 408 companies which have been listed on the BSE SME platform, and we welcome PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery to the BSE family. The BSE SME platform with a market capitalization of over 65,000 crores rupees. MSMEs play an integral part in the country's economic growth. The government's vision for the next 25 years is to make the MSME sector more formalized, along with the access to affordable credit. BSE SME Exchange has been at the forefront of assisting SMEs to raise equity capital for their growth and expansion and enabling them blossom into full-fledged companies. Indian markets over the years have opened newer avenues for retail investors and traders to participate. Today, BSE has over 12 crore registered users based on unique client code. With innovations, technology, investor focus, good services, and higher wealth creation as a core focus area, BSE has emerged as a market leader in SME segment, and the BSE SME platform is a preferred avenue for SMEs and investors in the country. BSE provides a host of other services to capital market participants, including risk management, clearing, settlement, market data services, and education. It has a global reach with customers around the world and nationwide presence. BSE systems and processes are designed to safeguard market integrity, drive the growth of the Indian capital market, and stimulate innovation and competition across all market segments. My heartiest congratulations to PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery on the success of its public offer. The company is engaged in the retail business of costume and fashion jewellery under the brand name Gargi by PN Gadgil and Sons. I once again extend my best wishes to the entire team of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery and the merchant bankers. I am positive that the firm will develop and generate excellent returns for its shareholders. Thanks once again.
Thank you, Patil sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite Shri Ajay Thakur, Head of SME and Startup Platform BSE, to address the gathering.
Chairman PNGCS Gargi Sri Govind Gadgil ji, Srimati Renuka Gadgil, Independent Director Sweta Khandelwal ji, Sri Amit Modak ji, Director PNGCS, Sri Aman Modak ji, Parsa, Sri Samir Patel, Sri Grish Joshi ji, my colleagues, very good morning to all of you. Today, PNGCS Gargi Fashion is going to be 409th company to get listed on BSE SME platform. And this is a great moment, a proud moment for all of us. Because 10 years back, when we have started this SME platform, and around 8-9 years back when Partha was working under me, I have never thought that one day Partha will bring a company on our SME platform. We will get subscribed 228 times. Let me tell you, this SME platform has created a lot of initiatives. In fact, no one would have ever thought a company which is in artificial jewelry will also get listed on BSE SME platform. I know PNGCS is a big name in this market. Everybody knows you. Few days back when I was doing an inauguration in Symbiosis Institute, Pune, I have talked about you. And they were very much proud that yes, a company from Pune is going to get listed on the SME platform. We have brought the company from even carbon credit. We have brought the company from EV segment. Now today we are bringing the company from artificial jewelry. And you are quite right, Modakji, when you said that golds are being put in the bar, whereby the artificial jewelry is being used more by the people. And it gives me a reflection that a country having a huge population of 147 crores, which we know, I think it may be more than that, which we never count. I think 105, 110 crore people will go into artificial jewelry. And that was the reason, that was the testament that in a year you have crossed a turnover of 25 crores. And I hope that in the years to come, the turnover will grow to 100, 150 and 200 crores. And of course, huge profit, because ultimately investors are going to make the return on the profit of the company. And I was just checking your share price, and I found that it is already trading at 90% premium of the issue price, something that I have noticed. So I am quite sure that in the years to come, you will also become a jewel for our SME platform. So I think for a visionary person, sky is the limit. The company is in existence for 200 years, as Govindji has already said. And you and we have something common. We are formally in existence for 147 years, informally in existence for more than 200 years. So I think we all have created credibility. We have all created wealth for the market participants. And let me tell you, today BSE is the fastest stock exchange in India. And we are the largest SME platform in India. And, when nobody was even having confidence in the SME platform, we have single-handedly, fought against all the pessimism and, created this SME platform, having a market capitalization of around 65,000 crores. Investors start believing in the company. And Amit Modakji has talked about what is the reason for having 1 lakh, why not to bring 15,000. There are multiple reasons. When we sit together, I will deliberate and discuss with you for the reason, but we still maintain that it should be 1 lakh rupees. Because the stock market is the safest place for the promoters, very risky place for the investors. So we need to keep a balance between everything. So that's the reason that the regulators have kept that. But I'm quite sure, because, I am seeing 250 to 300 times participation of the retail segment. So I think that going forward, all these things will start emerging, and you will see that a lot of companies coming onto the SME platform, take it to the next level. I'm extremely thankful to Parth for bringing the company on the BSE SME platform. I know once the issue gets filed, a lot of pressure keeps on coming on him by the competition to bring to their stock exchange. But, he is very much loyal to us, and I think that this loyalty will keep on, and he will keep on making this SME stock exchange, BSE SME stock exchange, a great place to list. So with these words, I once again congratulate all of you and wish a great future coming ahead. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ajay sir, for your warm wishes. Ladies and gentlemen, now that we approach the moment where PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited will be officially listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange platform, I will request all the dignitaries to kindly move towards the bell. We're going to start the countdown from 10, everybody. You can see the countdown on the screen. Everyone excited? I will request everyone to kindly sit down because we are capturing this moment together. Just 20 seconds to go, everyone. And we're going to start the countdown. Everyone together from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Congratulations, heartiest congratulations. बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ, हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, जोरदार तालियां. Congratulations to PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited. It is now officially listed on BSE. A very happy moment for everybody present here. I would like to congratulate everyone from PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited present here. So, ladies and gentlemen, all of you have been associated in some or the other way with PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited. And this is a momentous occasion. This is a momentous listing. We would like to congratulate BSE as well. I think तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. This is a very precious and special moment for everybody. Congratulations. Wow, that is wonderful. Let's capture this beautiful moment. I'll request everyone to take a group picture. Thank you, thank you. Once again, congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause for PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited. It is now officially listed on BSE. Once again, I would like to congratulate BSE as well. And all of you, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, you have been associated with PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited in some or the other way. And today you all have been here present to congratulate, to wish them. Thank you very much, everyone. And with that big smile on everyone's face, let's move ahead. It's time for the memento presentation. We will now present the listing certificate and the memento by BSE to our partners. I will request Shri Ajay Thakur, Head of BSE SME and Startup Platform, to present the listing certificate. Samir Sarana bolo. I will request Shri Samir Patil and Ajay Thakur sir to present the listing certificate and memento to our partners. Can we take it near the gong? We would like to present this listing certificate as a congratulatory gesture to Shri Amit Modak, Director of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, Shri Aditya Modak, Director of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, Shri Govind Gargi, Chairman and Director of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited. Congratulations. On this momentous occasion, ladies and gentlemen, we take the privilege of presenting the mementos by Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited to BSE partners. I will request Shri Govind Gargi to present the memento कोणाकोणाला द्यायचे बुल कोणाकोणाला द्यायचे
का नाम बुलाते जाइए बुल के लिए ये सिविल प्रेजेंट मोमेंट को ये दोनों प्रेजेंट करेंगे मोमेंट को सारे प्रमोटर्स को जितना लोग सब लोग प्रमोटर
Okay, we would like to present a nice symbol, a significant symbol of this moment. I will request Shri Samir Patil and Shri Ajay Thakur to present this token of appreciation to our partners, beginning with the lead manager Parth Shah, Director of Shreni Shares Private Limited. Registrar to the issue Big Share.
Amit Modak ji, don't take name to Amit Modak ji and Aditya Modak. These two we have to give bull and parts.
I will request Shri Amit Modak, Director of PNGCS Gargi Fashion, to come forward as we would like to present a token of appreciation to Shri Modak. May I now request Shri Aditya Modak to come forward. Thank you very much. And ladies and gentlemen, we take the privilege of presenting the mementos by Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited to BSE and partners. I will request Shri Govind Gargi to present the memento to Shri Samir Patil, Chief Business Officer at BSE. Can we have the mementos, please? I'll request Govind sir to present the memento to Shri Ajay Thakur. Lead Manager Parth Shah, Director of Shreni Shares Private Limited. Thank you Ajay sir, thank you Samir sir. Registrar to the issue, Big Share. Ms. Shweta Khandelwal. Shri Aditya Modak. And Ms. Kritika Rokra from Sharni Shares Private Limited. Thank you. I will now request Shri Amit Modak to present the mementos. To Vishwas Honrao, CFO of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited. Ms. Bhargavi Kulkarni, Company Secretary of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited. Mr. Prasad Godge, Manager of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited. Mr. Sarang Vadekar, Manager at PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited. Mr. Vinit Sinha from ICICI Bank. And I would like to invite Mr. Girish Joshi, Listing Head of BSE. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to congratulate PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited for being officially listed on BSE platform. I now request Shri Aditya Modak.
Nahar sir from Khandelwal Jain Chartered.
Nahar sir from Khandelwal Jain Chartered. I would like to invite Mr. Nahar from Khandelwal Jain. Warm welcome to you, sir. We would like to present a small token of appreciation. Thank you everyone. I will now request Shri Aditya Modak, Director of PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, to present the vote of thanks.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. I'll be really honest here. So this is my first experience to present a vote of thanks in front of such prominent audience on and off the stage. And I won't lie, but I'm a bit nervous right now. But at the same time, I'm very excited to be part of this journey of Gargi and this moment. It's truly an honor to ring the bell at BSE today, which makes a new beginning for Gargi as we accelerate our efforts to serve our customers and in the best possible way and look ahead to our next phase of growth. So today, I'll try my best to express my deep gratitude and heartfelt acknowledgement of all the support we have received so far to make Gargi India's newest publicly traded company on BSE SME platform. On this day, it is my privilege to offer a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of all those who inspired us, worked hard with us, and partnered with us throughout this amazing journey. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Govind Gargi and Renu Gargi for giving us free hand in ideation and creation of this brand, Gargi. Their guidance and inspiration throughout has been incredible. On behalf of entire PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited team, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all our investors, the shareholders as well as the applicants, because of whom Gargi has truly thundered the capital market at such a young age and received outstanding subscription of more than 230 times in proposed offer. I, along with the entire Gargi team, am humbled and highly encouraged by this response. On behalf of PN Gargi and Sons and PNGCS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all our well-wishers, friends, families, vendors, partners, and colleagues who have been the backbone of our success. Without your support, we wouldn't be where we are today. Finally, I would specially thank Mr. Samir Patil, Chief Business Officer, BSE, Mr. Ajay Thakurji, Head BSE SME, and Mr. Pacha, the Director of Shreni Shares Private Limited, and our Registrar of Issue. Last but not the least, I would also like to thank Mayuri for hosting such a beautiful ceremony. Thank you. And this is a big milestone for us. So a heartfelt thank you to everyone who has been part of journey so far and brought us here to this moment. Working alongside from the foreground and supporting us from the background in every big and small way. The journey has just begun. So for a young company like ours, and I am sure we will make this one of the most admired brand of our time. And while we do so, we look forward to continued support from all of you, internal and external stakeholders, just as we have received so far. So thank you everyone for being with us. With this, I would like to close the ceremony today. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
And with this, we conclude today's event. Ladies and gentlemen, the arrangement for the refreshments have been done on my left and your right side. Thank you so much, everyone, for being a part of our important occasion. With this, Anchor Mayuri Malankar signing off. Thank you.